What is she running from? A random guy came to his home.
Hello, sir. I'm the messenger. Spit it up. I'm the messenger.
Why are you coming to my house?
Because I came to say hi.
I don't know who you are.
No, I've never seen you in my life before.
Have I seen you, bro? Why are you hands in your pocket?
Sorry, I'm just freezing and my hand is on here.
All right, have a good night.
You too.
Okay.
But I just wanted to live the dream. That was
okay, I don't know who you are.
I'm gonna later.
He tried to break in.
Can I help you? Can I help you? Hey! You better not be breaking into my house. Get off my property. What the fuck? Get out of here. I'm calling 911.
Just watch this.
Coming out. Can I speak to you for 1 second, please? Is it possible?
Stay safe out there.
Hi. Please wait. It may take me a moment to answer.
Can we help you?
Hey, how's it going?
Can I help you?
Yeah, can I speak to you for 1 second, please? Is it possible? Just 1 second or a minute. Coming out. Hi,
help you?
this is in the neighborhood and I was wondering if you can start like having noises or
what?
things that are high on volume.
No.
Anything like that?
No.
Ever? Never?
No.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Wow. Seeing shadows or anything?
So what?
I don't know. I mean, sorry. But if you do,
Why are you
Not
on my
suspicious
porch?
at all.
I need you to get off my porch.
No.
Can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
What do you need?
Huh?
Why are you on my porch?
Can I help you?
What's wrong?
You got the wrong
Okay.
house,
Rang
man.
really bad. I was.
Okay, I need you to get off my porch or I'm calling the cops.
No, okay. I'm sorry.
Get off my porch.
It's all right.
You are currently being recorded.
It's all right. Thank you.
What is he up to? When you have a chicken phobia, she got dropped off at the wrong address.
I'm not from here. I'm from Confrontation, Virginia. I just moved down here. My Uber put in the wrong address and dropped me off at this address for my friends. This is not my friend's address. I don't know where I'm at. Is there any way I could please, can you charge my laptop so I can order another Uber? I have anxiety. I don't know anything about back here. I just need to charge my laptop. I can order Uber, sir.
And you're out here by yourself?
I'm out here by myself, sir. By myself.
You know you're in a crack neighborhood.
I'm in a crack neighborhood?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, sir, I'm from Culpeper, Virginia. I'm not from out here. Yes, sir. Jesus Christ.
I can't help you.
Is there any way you could just take it and charge it? I will sit on the road. I'm out here myself. I have a 1-year-old and a 2-year-old.
Just saying hi.
Whoa! Shit. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Are you friendly? Are you friendly? I'm sorry, guys. Come here, boy. I'm sorry. I thought you scared me, man. What's up, man? Boy, you're scared as shit.
Guy was creeping around the house. He thought he was in the clear.
Oh my God. Help me.
A damn shame. They might be too old for this.
Delivery!
When you can't hold it in, he is in for a surprise. Just listen to this.
Yo, leave her alone. Walk away, guy. Walk away, dude. She doesn't want your help. Walk away. She doesn't want it. None of us want your help. Walk away. Walk away.
He had his truck stolen.